In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your mailing list into HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or brand new to this powerful tool, getting your mailing list into HubSpot is a crucial step to streamline your email marketing and customer management processes. So let's dive into it. First, you're going to want to head over to the HubSpot website. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need access to all the resources we'll be discussing today. If you're not logged in yet, take a quick moment to enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll have the power of HubSpot at your fingertips. Now, let's direct our attention to the trial guide. This section is particularly helpful as it contains a plethora of resources designed to assist you in setting up your form building process. Here, you'll find useful tips and guidance that can greatly enhance your HubSpot experience, setting you up for success right from the start. Next, we'll navigate to your homepage. From here, you're looking for the CRM option. As you might already know, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and that's where the magic happens. This tool is central to managing all your customer interactions and data. Once you've located CRM, click on it and you'll see several options. Among them, you'll want to select Contacts. This will take you to your contacts management area where we can begin the import process. Now look for the Import button and click on it. This is where you'll initiate the process of bringing in your mailing list from an external file. Click on Import a File to proceed. You'll then see the option to start the import process by selecting Start Import. Once you've made it this far, the next step is all about specifying the type of data you're importing. HubSpot makes this easy with on-screen prompts that will guide you through identifying the kind of data your file contains. Whether it's names, email addresses, or other contact details, simply follow these prompts. Make sure each piece of information is accurately mapped to HubSpot's fields so that your data lands exactly where you want it. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your mailing list is now part of your HubSpot ecosystem, ready for you to leverage in your marketing campaigns. It's always a good idea to double-check the imported data for any inconsistencies to maintain the integrity of your database. By doing so, you can avoid future headaches and ensure all your communication reaches the correct audience. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're feeling more confident about managing your contacts in HubSpot. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.